Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Library. Have you ever seen such a mess in your life? I'm usually never messy. I usually have things very nice and neat, but today I'm messy because I am going to show you how to recycle. What's this, you say? Oh, garbage, trash. Not always. If we want to take good care of the earth, we can recycle things and make new things. When you get your package this week, you're going to have an Earth Day maze and an Earth Day Sudoku. But you're going to get some things that look like this. You might get a piece of cereal box. Yep, cereal, red, blue, all nice colors. You might get a Scotch tape box. You might get a fork. Oh, you might get a bell. You might get a lid. Silver on one side, gold on the other. You might get a big lid. You might get some crepe paper streamers. Oh, yellow and blue. Oh, look at all this stuff. You might get a plastic bag. Some yarn. Oh, look at that. Little toys came in this one time. You might get one of those. Oh, some letters, some rubber bands, some more lids. I don't even know what this is, but it's plastic and it's pretty. You might get one of those. You might get another lid. Oh my goodness, look what I made. Do you know who that is in there? Pop, 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 pop. And I put him in the lid. Oh my goodness, Orville. Now, here we go. You might get a twist tie. Oh, you might get a blue fork, another lid. You might get all that, but you will get one of these. A piece of cardboard. You're going to make a recycled robot. And you're like, what is a recycled robot? Well, you'll be taking a piece of cardboard that looks like this. And I colored mine. I just colored it with some crayons and some markers. And I already have part of mine together. And I'm going to show you how we put the rest together. Now this right here, I took a lid. And this is my face. Where's my body? Oh, I think there we go. What happened? I'm going to have to cut a piece from my body. Oh, wow. Let me find those scissors and all this stuff. I don't know. Where did they go? Oh, there's my body. I knew it was there. Oh, gosh, look. Here's my body. I took a little piece of cardboard and cut a square and taped the edges, and I made a body. There's the body and all this. We finally found it. And here is the head to my robot. So this is what my robot looks like. We have a body. We have a head. These two forks are the arms, so to speak. And this is all together like that. Now, some of this I glued on ahead of time. Oop, those are pop tabs. This is cereal. Oh, and in this little box are all kinds of little things, and they're glued together. So I'll take my glue, and I'm going to put a lot of glue, oh, quite a bit, on the back of this right here, because this is the body, and we want it to stick. So we're doing that, and I'm going to put it right here like that. So there's the body to my robot. And then we have this big lid. And on the lid, it's going to have some glue. Just like that, all around. Yep, like that. It's heavy, so put a lot of glue. And then push it down, and I'm going to leave it alone for a while because it needs to dry. But this right here is an example of a recycled robot. When you get your kit this week, you will get, and this is going to be the 18th through the 23rd, and we're going to celebrate Earth Day, and you're going to recycle. You'll get some of these things, and then you'll have to go around your house and see what else you can find to finish your robot. But this is my robot, and you'll get a picture of an example. Have fun, Do your craft at home. Recycle, help the earth. Happy Earth Day, everybody. See ya.